Good day, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. I am the Daily Glow Up, and today we have something super exciting. We're gonna go over everyone's biggest problem, one of the biggest problems, teeth whitening. There are so many systems out there. There are so many different products out there, ranging anywhere from $5 all the way up to hundreds of dollars going to your dentist. So the kit that I'm talking about today for our teeth whitening is the Luster Premium White with Pro Light added into it. So you get 3 products in here. Opening this up, whitening treatment tracker. Oh, this is fun. This is where you get to find out how yellow your teeth are. If you got plans, quick boost, do 5 treatments back to back, one after the next. If it's been less than 6 months, you could do 10 treatments all at once or over the course of 3 days. And if you've never whitened, which is me, you can do 10 to 20 treatments all at once or over the course of 7 days. So that was my plan, is to do this over the course of a week. So we're only gonna go through this one time. Now, this whole packet was $35. Now this was actually, oh, oops. This whole kit, right off the bat, let me go ahead and tell you, was $35. Now, I got it at Bed Bath & Beyond, and it was on clearance for $17.99 plus tax. So this was basically 20 bucks. But normally, this would be a $35, $40 treatment. So I'm curious to see how many treatments I'm gonna get out of it. So here's your accelerated rinse. Here is your stain lifting serum, and then here is your Luster Premium Light. So, guess all of this lipstick was for nothing. I'm gonna go ahead and go brush my teeth. We'll come back and see how yellow my teeth are gonna start out at. And then we will start the rinse, and then we will start the serum, and then we will go through the lighting process. Okay, so it looks like I'm about a 4. I know this light does not add up. I have a white light around me, so me putting this up to the light does not help, nor does it look like my teeth are at a 4, but they're at a 4. I went ahead and did a quick brush. So now we're going to fill this up to 10 mLs. That's discolored. I don't know if that's okay or if I should be concerned. Does this have an expiration? January of 2019. Expirations are at the bottom. Always check those, people, because sometimes stores, when they sell stuff on clearance, it's literally because it's expiring tomorrow, and they need to sell it as soon as possible to get their money out of it. So it has 236 milliliters in here, so if you don't want to do some math, holler out to your Alexa, and you can do the math with her. Alexa, what is 236 divided by 10? Should be like
236 divided by
26?
10 is 23.6.
Oh, 23, whatever. So this has 236 milliliters in here. It says you need to use 10 ml. So that's gonna be 23.6 uses that you can get out of this treatment pack. And it does recommend 10 to 20 treatments if you've never whitened before. So it does give you the full amount that you need to do a recommended full treatment. Sometimes they recommend that you have to buy this product 2 or 3 times in order for you to get the achieved results that you want. This product is saying that it'll do it within 1 kit. So it may be worth 35 bucks. So we're gonna fill it up to the 10 ml. It just looks like normal blue, like Listerine. Okay. Oh, man, that tastes awful. I'm not even gonna hide behind that. It says you don't need to rinse, so we'll see where we are in about a week, and then I'll let you guys know if this is something that actually works or if you should take your $40 and invest it in somewhere else as far as the whitening system goes. Our week is coming to a close. I've grown very close to this little companion. I'm gonna keep it really short and really simple. This didn't do anything for me. It didn't whiten my teeth even once. I even did a quick boost, which is doing 5 times in a row to possibly get some kind of result. Didn't see anything happen. So I don't recommend this product. It feels weird to do this, but like this is like my first like technically bad review, but this did absolutely nothing for me. Maybe I got a bad batch, probably not, but we can say that, right? We can leave that much openness to the situation. For me personally, it did not work, so I don't recommend buying this product. In the next couple of weeks, I am going to be trying out another whitening system. It is super cheap, like pretty much available everywhere and online, and I'm talking like $10 or less cheap. So stay tuned for that. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel to keep up more with me. Other than that, I will be seeing you guys in about a week. Mwah.